Well, hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. Every once in a while, when I go to the hobby shop, probably not every once in a while, probably all the time, something follows me home. Well, I was walking down the aisles at my local hobby shop and found something pretty cool that I've been looking at every time I go there, and I finally decided to get one. I picked up this AMT International cab over. It's the Fink edition. You may have seen in a past video, I've got a couple of them up there, I reviewed what the difference was between that and the one that was before it. I can post that video at the end of this video if you want to see it. If you haven't seen it, it's a pretty good video on what's inside it. Well, this video, I'm going to show you what's inside this box and show you the decals. We're going to find out if anything's different in this thing versus the other one. Let's check it out. Officially licensed Fink product. Let's check this thing out. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Okay, it's boxed nice. There's this cardboard that keeps it from collapsing in, which is nice. Decal sheet we'll take a look at. All the clear glass. Chrome tree. Chrome tree. Trees. Tires. Those got some weight to them. Those seem like very nice tires. This cab is just absolutely gorgeous. This is a very, very nice kit. Very nice. And the other tree. Instructions. Alright, let's take a look at the instructions. Very nice. Frame looks very well put together too. These two trees are identical. Okay, this chrome tree. Chrome looks very nice. The grill's very nice. See how it's see-through? Very nice grill. Steps are thin. Plating looks really good. Now let's get the tires out. Well, these are nice tires. They are hollow, but they're very, very nice looking. Cab looks good. And the insert looks really nice. Just give you a nice interior. Okay, the decals. There we go. Very cool. What would be really neat is if you didn't want to use the Fink, you could put these stripes on. They look really neat. Or you could do the stripes on the truck and do a custom international. Now that's a good idea. Custom international with those stripes. Maybe stretch the frame. There's a lot of possibilities with this. Again, you get these big rat finks. You don't put them on a truck. I could see them on a van or some drag car or something cool. Flying eyeball, some 8-balls, some other little rat finks. Very nice decal sheet. Very cool. The only thing left was the glass. I'm not going to get the glass out. The glass is thin, looks really good. Just a little quick tip I want to share with you guys. Now that I've done the unboxing, and I just threw the little bags away after I pulled them out. I put the decals in the instruction sheet, and that is down below, so it all stays flat. That's a nice little tip instead of having it sit here and get all wrinkled up. The other tip that I want to share with you is I pulled the tires out to show you, and then I put the tires in a plastic baggie, and then zip lock that, and tires are there, and they can't roll around. Or I'm sure you've seen an older kit to where a tire has gotten onto a part and kind of fused onto it. So now that can't happen. So just a couple little tips there on how to keep the decal sheet flat, and the instructions and the tires. Well, what'd you think about it? Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to get one, if you think it's cool, not. There again, you don't have to put the rat fink on this truck. You can use those decals for something else. A car project, a custom van maybe. There's a lot of possibilities with those rat fink decals. So we'll see you on the next video on Throttle Power.